Hospitalizations in the US due to COVID have now increased by about 33% and deaths are up by 40% from a week earlier. This according to the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Listen in.
The current 7-day daily average of cases is about 751,000 cases per day, an increase of about 47% over the previous week. The 7-day average of hospital admissions is about 19,800 per day, an increase of about 33% over the prior week. And the 7-day average of daily deaths are about 1,600 per day, which is an increase of about 40% over the previous week.
The magnitude of the rise in cases has been attributed to the more contagious Omicron variant that represents about 90% of the COVID cases in the US as of now. Hospitalizations have been on the rise since late December, when the Omicron variant surpassed the Delta variant. Providing some glimmer of hope, the CDC said that it expects that cases will peak in the coming weeks, similar to what is being seen in other countries like South Africa as well as the United Kingdom. The CDC also noted that the deaths being reported in the US are from the Delta variant and not Omicron.
The data in this study remain consistent with what we are seeing from Omicron in other countries, including South Africa and the UK, and provide some understanding of what we can expect over the coming weeks as cases are predicted to peak in this country. While we are seeing early evidence that Omicron is less severe than Delta and that those infected are less likely to require hospitalization, it's important to note that Omicron continues to be much more transmissible than Delta. The sudden and steep rise in cases due to Omicron is resulting in unprecedented daily case counts, sickness, absenteeism, and strains on our healthcare system.
Our correspondent Susan Tehrani has sent us this report coming from New York with more details. Take a look.
As COVID deaths and hospitalizations continue to rise in the United States, health officials now say that may be due to the Delta variant. However, the general high number of COVID cases across the country is still due to the highly transmissible Omicron variant. Those were comments made by CDC Director Rochelle Walensky on Wednesday, speaking to the media. The CDC Director said also that COVID cases driven by Omicron will likely peak in the coming weeks, differentiating between Delta and Omicron variants. She said that, quote, "We may see deaths from the Omicron variant, but I suspect that the deaths that we're seeing now are still from Delta." Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.